A candle that's edible? Welcome to Ashton's Crunchy Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a butter candle. Let's get started. First, you want 6 sticks of butter. I'm using Nature's Promise organic butter. Blend up some cranberries. I'm using Nature's Promise organic cranberries. Add your cranberries to the butter. Add in some rosemary. Cut an apple in half and add it in. And mix it. Add in a little bit of honey. I'm using Ziegler's Local Georgia honey. Cover it and let it simmer for 30 minutes. While that's simmering, let's cut a hole in our bread for our candle. Take the guts out of the bread, but make sure to save it because we're not gonna waste this bread, we're gonna eat it. All right, guys, we've let this simmer for 30 minutes. Now let's take out the rosemary and the apples. Okay, so I went ahead and set up my wicks and I used forks to keep them straight, but now I'm gonna ladle some butter into this bowl. Any leftovers you have, put into an airtight container so that you can save it. Transfer this to the fridge. We'll see you guys back when this butter solidifies. All right, guys, our butter wasn't ready last night, so we waited till this morning. Bear with me, I have not got ready. I just woke up. But let's get this butter out. All right, I think it's done, guys. You want to cut the bowl and get it away from the butter. Y'all, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. We have our butter. And you want to put it in the middle of the bread. Cut the wicks shorter. So now that it's ready, you're gonna light the wicks. I did want to note you want these wicks to be food grade wicks. You don't want to just use any kind of wick because if they're not food safe, you know, it might not be good for you. So also, I wanted to note that you don't have to do it as a candle. You can just put it in a container and, you know, like, so I saw somebody do this and they said you didn't have to use it as a candle, but I don't know how you just dip the butter. I guess it would just be like, you would just smooth it on your bread or whatever, like you would like toast. But if you don't heat it like this, then you don't get those liquidy parts. But I mean, I guess whatever you like or think is best. Okay, so once it starts melting, go ahead and dunk that bread in there. Then you can eat it. I'll be honest, I expected it to be a little sweeter since I added the honey, but it just really tastes like butter. Are you gonna taste it, Andrew?
Yeah, I reckon I'll try it. This little piece of bread right here. What do you give it on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'd give it a... a 6.
Oh, I just smashed your butter, man. A 6. That ain't for me.
No?
No. No, that's like a 2. Oh no, that's worse than when I tried it yesterday.
What?
I don't like that. That ain't for me. That ain't for me.
What's wrong with it?
It ain't good. I don't think I'm the biggest fan of cranberries, maybe. I don't know, but that ain't good to me. You ruined butter with that. Sorry. I was generous with the 2. I don't like it. Candles is what made it a 2. If it was just melted butter by itself, it'd be a 1.
So I think what I would do different here is I think I would put the cranberries in first and put some sugar in there and let it kind of sweeten the cranberries some. and then I would add the butter and the rosemary and whatever else I added. I think that would make it better. It would make the butter sweeter, I think. But it is very cute. It's great if you're wanting something interactive. You can do all sorts of things with this butter. You could do like a cinnamon butter. I think that would be really good. I just thought this one was pretty, so that's why I did it. Anyways, if you like the content that you saw today, make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you want to see more of. Until next time. That cranberry didn't chop.
Like a whole cranberry in there?